Hey guys, let me turn the camera around here. Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's place. I'm down here in our little family room, exercise room, and I'm going to show you the exercises that I'm planning to do during the duration of my weight loss plan. And I want to continue this even after I lose weight to maintain. So come along. Okay, so I just turned on the treadmill. Going to get some walking in today. Getting it in. So I do the treadmill. I like to do that at least, just starting off, just try to do at least 20 minutes. If you can watch a half-hour show, then do that. If you can go longer than a half hour, I know many of you can, but I'm still in the beginning stages. So if I can go half hour, that's good for me. 20 minutes to a half hour is good for me. So you probably can't see me too good, but we're on this, you probably can see the name, Power Rider. And I've had this for years. Let me take this band off. And what you do is just put your feet up here, your hands here, and you pull yourself up. So you're working your thigh muscles, really working your calves too down here. You're working your arms up here from pulling. I can feel it right up in here. So that's good. I can even feel it in my abdominals. And if you put your feet here, and you can even go this way if you want, and that just feels like it's all in here. Or you can do it like this, but this is harder. When you put your feet up like this, it makes it harder. Woo, it makes it harder. So I do those. Right now it's till I get tired. I don't have a set amount that I do, just till I can't do anymore. We have a stationary bike too, but I don't like to use that. It's just not my favorite thing, but my husband likes to use that. Okay, so I like to do leg raises for my floor exercises. Some just straight up and down, and then some I flex my foot, because you can feel it better in here. And then I do these exercises where I put this leg up here and I raise my legs like this, the opposite leg, and it helps in here. You feel it really good after you're doing it for a while. And I also do squats. Try to stand with my feet hip width apart. And I try to squat to where I'm sitting down, like I'm going to sit on the sofa. And of course you feel it real good in here. And then if you want to work on those behind muscles, you can turn your heels in, squeeze when you come up. I also do these, and that works here. And you twist. Do those. And then of course I do these and work on my sides. Do arm raises. And you can do squats. I do squats and arm raises at the same time. So that gives me a double kind of workout at the same time. I'm working my arms and my legs and behind, glutes. And then I also do leg raises. You can feel it real good right here. can extend the leg also. And then you do opposite leg. And I'd like to do a lot of those. These are not hard. I like these. I like these the best where my leg is extended. And you can feel it like on the outside and inward buttock. And you lift your leg backwards this way. I cannot do a sit-up to save my life hardly, so I'm not even gonna try that. My husband will help me with that. And I like to dance around too, so I'll show that on another video. Okay, so that's basically what I do. I'll come back at another time and show you a more full-length video, a longer workout. But I just wanted to show you some things that I do just in these beginning stages to get a good workout in. So I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Subscribe, click that like button, and love you guys. Bye.